Hi, in today's video I will be showing you how you can generate maps using our create tileset tool and extend map. First thing we will do is open up create tileset, and here we will start off by generating grass to sand with transition size none. You can also use existing tiles that you have and create transitions between them, so you don't have to generate new ones every time. Alright, now we got our first tile set. So let's create another one, and to make sure everything is tiling together, we will select the sand tile and use that as our reference. And then for outer description, let's do ocean, so we get a sand to ocean transition. And let's continue this by going from grass to dirt road, so that everything, we want to make sure that they work together, and that's why we will continue setting them as reference. So now let's do transition size, which means that we can have like something in between the inner and outer tiles. And in this case, I want to do grass to stone pavement to dirt road. And I forgot to set the outer tile, so now we will make sure that we can use them together. So what you can see here is the grass, like the inner description or inner tile will be below the outer one. So for this case, I reconsider and I want to instead switch it up. So I have the dirt road be below the grass, because that feels more natural. So I'm just gonna switch places, and remember to use the selection tool. And it will automatically, depending if you have tile size 16 by 16 or 32 by 32, it will select an area of that size. Alright, quite nice. And you can see the dirt is like below. And here I will pop over to advanced options, so you can see it. AI border freedom will affect how much it will look like the transition, or like the area in between the two tile types. And tileset adherence is how experimental the model can be, and it might fail to make tilesets if it's too low. Okay, let's create a tileset with roughly one tile in height instead. And when you do this, it will create a new canvas with a larger canvas, so it can fit the tileset, because it won't fit in the normal one. And I also decrease the tileset adherence a little bit, so the model can be a bit more expressive in its generation. But yeah, you have to be quite careful when playing around with that. Now that we have all our tilesets, we can grab them and then move them into our map. And then if you right click on the layer, you can select tile map mode, and it will swap out your palette for tiles instead, and then you can start drawing in. So I will be speeding this up quite a bit, but basically you can just go through and add in your tiles. There's also tools for this. You can try out Sprite Fusion, which will automatically do like all these rules. So you, instead of like picking them by hand, it will do it automatically for you. But this is more of a showcase on how you can do this in a Sprite. And yeah. It's quite nice. And if you figure out, oh wait, I need another tileset type, you can just go over and generate a new one. And here I want to generate like grass to water and like a rock in between. So that's what I do. And then I'm just gonna go grab it and put it over to like the tile maps, and it will be added to my palette. Just remember to convert it to a tile map so you can copy paste it over. And yeah. Alright, we have completed our map. Now let's add some details and make it a bit more alive using Extend Map tool. Remember to select the latest version, Extend Map v2. So first you want to make sure you inpaint, and when you do that, inpaint in like draw in the layer called Pixellab Inpainting. Then use Selection tool to select the area. And now remember to describe the whole image and not just what you want to inpaint. So in this case, I want a wooden bridge from a beach to a path, dirt path. Dirt road, sorry. And here I forget to change camera view from side scroller to high top down. But thankfully that didn't create any issues. And now let's add a house here. So first I draw in the inpainting layer where I want the house to be. And it's good to note, like, if you make a very small inpainting area, the model might think that you want like something that is smaller. So it's good to make it quite big, and then remember to select the area, and then you can click generate. And you can use this to change things, add trees, forest, flowers, anything. And in this case I would like a palm tree on the beach, and you can see like my description is of the beach as well, not just a palm tree. I'm using selection, I inpaint, and then I click generate. And here I'm just editing this mountainous bit to make it a bit prettier. So first I'm thinking, let's just edit the top part, because the lower part is quite nice. But then after I've done it, I was like, maybe I could do better on the bottom part as well. And yes, the model successfully did that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them here or in our Discord channel. I will do my best to give you a good answer. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.